Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just a quick video on a splash guard I finally ordered after getting rid of the old one. I think it's been a couple of years, but I finally remembered to order one. So I'm getting ready to make breakfast, gonna have some bacon. So let's take a look at the one I purchased. So this is it. This is a large one though, my first impression, but it's, I don't know, 11 and 6/8, but it has these concentric rings to, I guess, to fit into the inside diameter of various diameter pans. This one here, it's like 9-inch, but yeah, it has this handle that just folds. I don't know. I was thinking you need the screen to let the steam out, and I got more metal here, so not a lot of screen to end up getting gunked up, but so it just goes on like that, and it's going to fit some of my, I don't really have much larger pen than this, but that's what I went for. So I did like the handle. It's pretty sturdy. Oh, the handle, you can compress it so it can come out. This if you don't want a handle, or it's easier to clean maybe. And it's, oh, it does lock in place, so if you put a little pressure on there, it does lock in. But I kind of like it so it's a little bit of an angle. That's not locked in though. Maybe if they had two locking positions, then it would cost more. Anyways, yep, let's start off with bacon. Like that. So I think the camera's picking that up. You can see not only just a splash guard, you have to be able to, like, you couldn't have just solid metal, a lid on that. You have to let the steam out. So you actually fry stuff and not steam it. Well, I got to tell you, I already noticed grease splatter on the top of the lid here. So you're still going to get grease, and it looks like it's little is moving out to the outer ring, but there's some to the second from the inside. So I guess that's to be expected. So if you're looking for a splash guard, splatter guard for grease, take a look at this one. It's difficult these days. Everything's got mixed reviews. It's hard for something like this to have any negatives, but unless this rusts or something, but it looks solid construction. This folds out of the way, and it's going to be easy cleanup for the solid metal. Although it looks like there's quite a bit of, you can't pick that up, you can pick that up. So, let's see, I get some splatter on the top of the range of the stove. Hope you found this video helpful in your decision-making process for a splash guard. Grease on pans up to, what did I say, 11 6/8. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Oh, and before you go, I guess I should show you. I already cleaned it just real quick like this. Easy cleanup. But I don't know, kind of wondering if just sponging the stove off right after you've finished frying something is an easier option. You can just fold that out of the way. I guess this fits in a cabinet easily. You can put it on the side too if you have a cabinet that takes, or maybe at the bottom of the drawer that's built on the stove that I have. So just wanted to add that real quick. Thanks for watching.